Good day, everyone. My name is John Luis Elisis Pinar, a first-year BIT Electrical Technology student studying at Southern Leyte State University main campus. I live in Barangay Hitudpan, Hilongos, Leyte.
And one of my hobby is playing music and singing.
My answering machine. Now that I'm alone, right now it seems to be. Get them to go. I know it makes no sense. You walk out the door. That's the only way I hear your voice in it's ridiculous. For some reason I just feel stronger than this. Walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue. Crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs.
Tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. And I'm so sick of love, so sad. Oh, ka-blurred pa ko.
I got to know.
So I take this course because I am influenced by my uncle and cousin. My cousin is currently studying also at Southern Leyte State University main campus and currently taking his OGT. And also, my uncle is a BIT Electrical graduate at Southern Leyte State University main campus and currently working on an electrical company in Manila. I am also an irregular student because this is recently school year. I take the computer engineering and find it hard and shift to BIT Electrical due to the fact that I have no foundation in some certain subject in engineering. And in this school year, I want to improve my study habits and aim for high grades because getting high grades make my parents happy and proud. And also I want to be a role model for my younger siblings. And of course, I can achieve this by scanning my notes frequently even if I don't have an upcoming exams instead of just scanning it when needed. I will comply all the tasks that the instructors will give with effort and dedication so that my goals will be achieved.